What is React.Js? React.Js is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces. It is used for creating reusable UI components, which makes it faster and simpler to build web applications. The main purpose of React.Js is to provide a more efficient way of building components that can be used in different contexts. React.Js offers several benefits, such as improved performance and scalability, easier debugging, and the ability to use component-based architecture. React makes it easier to create user interfaces by breaking down components into small reusable pieces. Developers can create simple components that can be used in various contexts. React also has powerful features, such as component-driven architecture and one-way data binding. With these features, developers can create powerful user interfaces that are easy to maintain and update. React is also considered to be more secure than other JavaScript libraries due to its use of the virtual DOM and its self-contained security features. With React, the virtual DOM allows developers to create a single source of truth for their applications. This means that data is stored across multiple components instead of being updated constantly. This makes it more difficult for malicious code to affect the application as the data is not easily altered. Finally, React is highly compatible with different frameworks. It is quite easy to integrate React with other frameworks such as Angular and Vue. Furthermore, React can be used with popular tools like Node.js and GraphQL. This makes it easily transferable across multiple platforms and makes integration with existing components a breeze. In conclusion, React.Js is an incredibly powerful and versatile way of building user